Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Leg Up Ability, and welcome to another edition to a forest walk and talk. And today I'm going to talk about choice, and yes, what does choice mean? Because this week I've set myself a challenge to do videos that were more uplifting and positive than I went last week. Apologies. No, as you can see, I'm surrounded by lovely local neighborhood. Yeah, so what do I mean when I say choice? I mean outside depression. When you have depression, as a person that with depression, I can verify a totally different story than just being a little bit down or upset or annoyed at something. But so outside that, I got aside. In general, we have a choice in how we can respond to something. You know? Yes, currently there are so many frustrating things. Believe me, I'm experiencing them this week. But you know what? Like, it is what it is. And I choose. I respond to it in a positive way or a negative way. And I as much as I can, I choose to respond to it in a positive way. And see, okay, what can I learn from this situation, or what can I do, you know? Yeah, what can I do? And if I can't do something, what can I do? You know, I think it's try to see a positive in it. And I think that's an important skill to learn. It took me decades to learn it. Yeah. And I think we need to do that a bit more. Like, choose, okay, let's be, what I like to say to myself, okay, let's be responsible. So, not just responsible, like, but I'm responsible for the response that I give to this. So, if something happens to me, or if something bad happens, I'm delayed or something, I can either say, okay, I can always give out about it and cry, which I do give out a lot about things. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking I've done that recently, today and yesterday, sorry. But in general, we can try to make the most of it. And what I'm saying, yeah, so we can choose to say, look, this is what it is, let's make the most of it. Or we can say, no, I don't like it, I want to do it, and get nowhere. And get frustrated and upset with ourselves. And the thing is, the situation doesn't change. Either you choose to accept it and move on and make the most of it, or you try and you get upset about it and get annoyed by it. Like, it's still the same situation, it's just the way you respond to it. And that's just we need to develop more, I think. And I think coming out here to the forest helped me to do that. So yes, I hope that makes sense. And I think if we do that, we will generate more positivity in the world. God knows we can do with it at the moment. And I think, yeah, let's focus on the positives here and let's respond positively to the situation. And I hope everyone is keeping well and enjoying the Christmas holidays as much as they can. And yes, let's try to have some sense of normality this year. Yeah, so please God, we'll be all okay, and we will be. We will be okay. The way things are looking, it's going down the normal path of how virus develops. So we should be okay. And yeah, no, so I just want to send that message of positivity out there. That you have a choice to how to respond. You can either choose to respond negatively or choose to respond positively. And get outcome of that is dictated by you, you know. So if you want to be upset and stressed, be negative. If you want to be less stressed and move on with things, be positive, you know. Look for the positive thinking. Yeah. So anyway, I will end it there, and thank you very much for joining me on a lovely forest walk. And yeah, I hope everyone is keeping safe. Okay, mind yourself, Christmas. Bye.